2018 Pacifica. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, cloth bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.